If you're over 60 and dealing with bloating, gas, constipation, acid reflux, or constant fatigue, listen carefully. This is not just old age, and you don't need more pills. Most seniors are told, that's normal after 60, but that's one of the biggest lies about gut health. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because fixing this can quietly improve your energy, joints, sleep, and even your mood. Here's what most people don't realize. Your gut controls inflammation in your entire body. When digestion is weak, inflammation rises. And when inflammation rises, you start to feel stiff joints, brain fog, low energy, poor sleep, and sudden food sensitivities. This isn't aging, it's your gut asking for help. Doctors often focus on symptoms like antacids, laxatives, or acid blockers, but those don't fix the root problem. After 60, stomach acid naturally drops. Gut bacteria change. Digestion slows unless you support it correctly. The good news is that small daily habits can make a huge difference. Here are 3 gentle, senior-safe habits that support gut health naturally. First, eat slower than you think you should. Digestion starts in the mouth. Chewing your food well can reduce bloating more than many supplements. Second, choose warm foods over cold foods. Soups, cooked vegetables, rice, and oats are much easier on an aging gut than raw or icy foods. Third, feed good bacteria every day. Natural fermented foods like yogurt, curd, or lightly fermented vegetables help calm inflammation from the inside. No extremes, no harsh cleanses, just consistency. In the next part of this video, I'll share one morning habit many seniors ignore that quietly destroys digestion, and how to replace it with something better. So stay with me. Gut problems after 60 are not normal. They're common, but they are fixable. If this helped you even a little, like this video, subscribe for simple senior health tips and comment "gut" if you want more videos like this.